is Maxine.
And I'm Caitlin.
And we are besties. We live near each other. That's why we spend a lot of time together. For today's video, we're gonna be playing this game. If it falls, that means you lose and we're gonna dare each other at the end. Okay. 5. I got 5.
Bro.
Four. Four. Look at that.
What? I'm just playing with this.
Oof! I put it here.
Apa? Don't do that. You always look.
No. This is the last. Oh, fine. You dare me.
Okay. I dare you to twerk in front there. Like in here. And then you're gonna twerk here.
Here? Here?
Here. Yeah, that.
Okay.
Bye.